It is 29th of March today. This is a small pear tree, one of those magic trees I have. This one has 9 different varieties grafted onto. That is one of the varieties which ripens very early. There's another bud, that one, a while back it was grafted. Above that one, that's another variety. I have lost the label, but I think I might have recorded somewhere in a video which variety it is. The same thing happened with this one, although I put the labels, but sometimes the wind is so strong and it has blown the labels away, but I believe I might have the record of all those varieties. Its original variety is William BONNE Christian, and that's another variety which I brought from a relative's house. Above that, there are 4 different varieties. One of them is Red Williams. That one is Condo. The other one is Doyan du Comis, and one is the Conference variety. So altogether it has 9 varieties. This magic tree is a guest tree in my house. That is an apple tree in my garden, one of those magic trees. It's a small Braeburn apple. That is its original variety, which has been added by another 18 different varieties, and now that magic tree, it is going to live in my nephew's garden. It is just staying here as a guest, and in next few days it will move into its new house, a much colder place further north towards Rottenstall. That is another variety added onto this one. That's Cox's Orange Pippin. Remaining branch, that is Galton variety. On the other branch, that is Lord Lambourne, both branches, but on this branch at the end it is another variety called Pitmaston Pineapple, which is an apple variety and it tastes like pineapple. That is another variety grafted onto this one. That is Hallow's variety. Very, very beautiful, nice and sweet apples which have lovely smell. You leave 2 apples in the house and you enter into the house and they will welcome you with a nice fragrance. On this branch, that is L-Star. Just above it, that is Orlean Renette, a small graft, a very, very small graft over here, but it is growing. And then that is Baker's Delicious, that little stump. that is Baker's Delicious, and that other one, that is Worcester variety. At the top, there have been 5 different varieties grafted onto them, but the labels have been mixed up. The wind came and it had blown all of them off. I have all the varieties. One of them is Ashmead kernel. Then it is a St. Edmund's pippin. There is a Devonshire quarrendum. There is Blenheim orange, and another one called Red Love Era. These are 5 varieties. I will easily be able to recognize Red Love Era. The other varieties, it will be difficult until it starts fruiting, and then we'll have to recognize by having a look at its fruit. But that is another job. At the minute, it will only stay for a short while in my garden, so it is going. The guests don't stay forever. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, please subscribe to my channel and you will have an easy access to me and to all my videos. Thank you.